Ooh, I want to look freaky. Hey guys, okay, be back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I installed this BUTTA lace unit 3. If you like what you see, make sure you stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to catch up on your show, girl. And I'll see you in my next video. Period. Cause I feel wrecking in this hell.
Still tryna hear from a nigga, I love that switch, but fuck it, I'm burning that bridge. How could you leave me, daddy? You know I needed you, dad. They asking what happened, but they can't imagine. I'm low-key grateful, you made me a stab. The biggest, the baddest, I ain't even cabbing. I'm built like a stallion, a symbol of sadness. I should be DJing, I'm quick to drop me a bitch in the midst, giving beats and scratches. I did my pop badge up for the hell of it, now I'm top 40, but y'all was just laughing. Most of these bitches be try hating, holding they nuts on me, cause they know I'm on their asses. I don't got next, fuck that, I got now. I can't wait too far to throw in the towel. I let bitches think the beat died down till I catch them off guard, make my rounds. I got no fear in my heart for no person, no place, or no thing like I'm motherfucking now.
Let's get into it. Let me show y'all the lace before I just completely take it off. Hopefully my light ain't too bright, but look at these. Look at these. Can you see the D? The part is the bomb.com. Anyway, people irritate me. I've been irritated. People getting on my nerves. Like, people are getting on my nerves. But anyway. Let's get into this. People have been getting on my nerves, child. For real. But this is the unit. I have been waiting to purchase this. Waiting to install this. All of that. This is what she looks like fresh out the box. I don't know what length it is, but it's pretty long. Clips on the inside. Those extra clips on the side. Let me try it on and see how it fits. I don't know if I want y'all, I'm doing this at the last minute. It's like, what time is it? It's 11 o'clock at night, and I decided to go ahead and do my hair. I was supposed to go to Hurricane Harbor tomorrow, but I'm not feeling it, so I'm gonna do my hair. Oh, it fit tight. Hold on. I don't know if I actually want this cap to be on or not. I'm doing my hair at the last minute, as you can tell. I don't got no makeup on or nothing. I'm trying to see if I want this cap on, because normally I get a chocolate cap. You can see like the demarcation in that cap, and that's not cute. I may install this without a cap. I don't know, let me see. Okay, I took the cap off because I didn't like this color. I like to use a chocolate. This too light for me, so I'm not going to use that. To install the lace, I'm going to be using the Wonder Bond lace spray, and I also purchased the Wonder Bond lace glue as well. Will I use this? I don't know. Like I said, this is last minute. I'm just trying to hurry up and do this, so don't mind me, child. I'm trying to get it together. But look at this hair. So cute. This is not a sponsored video either. I purchased this hair with my own coins. because I wanted to see what the hype was about. So I'm supposed to get into it and make sure. I need to see what the hype is about these. Carefully, making sure that I don't get this on my edges, because I like my edges. Want to keep my edges. I really didn't put a lot of oil like this on purpose, because like I said, I like my edges, and I don't really wear frontals like that. And when I do, I normally do the ball cap, but I can't do the ball cap because I don't have the right cap color. And I've installed frontal units before without a cap, and it comes out perfectly fine. But this time I'm just gonna use less glue. Oh, this so sticky. Yeah, this so sticky. It's so sticky. I'm gonna let that dry clear. Then I'm gonna pour down the lace, and I'm gonna spray the Wonder Lace bond right on top of that glue. Tie it down, blow dry it. The whole nine. I'm not gonna too much talk on this video. I'm just gonna show y'all how I'm installing it. And yeah, I'll probably come back on tomorrow to get dolled up and stuff so you can see the finished look. So yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the looks. Because you know, I make it do what it do. Every time. Child, I don't know about this. I don't know about this. Girl, so it's giving my head is too big, or the lace don't stretch some, because yeah, it don't really wanna. So this lace not stretching, which is okay. I just wanted to be able to have that versatility to put this behind my ear, but it's looking like I'm not gonna have that versatility. I'll be able to lay the hair down, but I ain't gonna be able to flip it how I really want to, which sucks. Damn, do I gotta be good? Okay. So I'm just gonna spray it. And I don't know if it's gonna come out right. This bitch, my head too big for the sun. Like, it don't come all the way down here. Ow. Which I wish I would have known it, because then I would have just left my sideburns up. Ooh, that shit hurt. This one will be fucking with lazy.
This your sideburns hurt?
Yes. Oh my god, I hope this come out right. I'm stressed. It's stressing me out. I am so mad about this. I'm gonna have to fix that later though. This shit is cute. Oh, I'm scared to put this on. You know this is a synthetic wig. It's like a little. I put this on in lace because it's white and I'm chocolate. Alright, moment of truth, and let's get these baby hairs going. Just putting this makeup on her. It made it look 10 times better already. Oh, I'm scared. so light. It looked like a lot of hair, but it's light as fuck. Now, I'm gonna be laughing at myself when I edit this video, cause I'm just all over the place. Okay. Cause I'm a little scared. I'm still a little scared. But okay, we blended in. Since I got my real hair out on the side, oh, we blended in so good. Perfect. Okay. My baby hair be like right here. This shit look good. Get a scalp now. I'm a little scared. Lord have mercy, that took forever. Shit. I'll comb it out. That fucking spray made it hard. I'm just glad this part look right, because this part is important. When bitches lace right here don't be right. Ooh. That shit be looking bad. Sebastian's hair spray and Wonder Blue lace spray got the job done. But I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I just left my sideburns out because the wig did not fit. So I just blended it in. And I'm gonna sleep on it and see what it look like in the morning. Okay, so it is the next morning. I'm about to take this off, see what it's looking like. I done slept on it. I detangled it before I went to sleep and wet it. So this is what it's looking like fresh out the bonnet. The curls look good. Super good. Let's see what the lace is looking like. Oh, I'm scared. I don't know what I'm so scared. Because I was rushing. When you do a rush job. Oh, okay. When you do a rush job, it's kind of scary. Because you don't know. You got to make sure it's going to be right. These are my sideburns that I left out because it says that it's ear to ear, but it doesn't have the actual measurements. This is the Butter Lace Unit 3. It doesn't have the actual measurements. And I guess my head was too big. It didn't come all the way down. So I just basically cut it and pulled out my real edges. And I think I'm going to go ahead and swoop them. Like my baby hairs that I'm about to have to redo. And yeah, we're gonna see what it looks like. And I'm gonna style it too. I don't know, should I style it or leave it like it is? I don't know, I think I'm not used to, see I don't wear laces like that. If I do, it's a closure. And I try to mimic my baby hair to my real hair, and it be frustrating me because it's like, it's not giving my real hair. And that's what I be wanting to give. But I be having to understand, girl, this ain't your real hair. So I'm taking some hair from the actual wig and about to blend it with my real sideburns. So if your lace ever don't come all the way down to your ear, this is an option. It's giving you my real baby hair. If you watch my videos, you know how my edges is. I always gotta pull out the phone and see. That's the real test. I feel Puerto Rican in this hair. Rican. How do I feel Puerto Rican in this hair? Oh yeah. I am it. Puerto Rican in this hair. Can I do it?
Got me feeling so